Which mountain is this, Byron? Which one is this?
Agua.
Agua.
Yeah.
Here you can see the 4 distinct regions that we need to get through to get to the summit. It looks like it's going to be really hard work. Christ, it's bloody hard work. What do you reckon, Lawrence?
Easy.
I wish. So we've now entered the Alpine zone and my feet feel like lead weights with the lack of oxygen. How are you feeling, Byron?
Hello, you can see the ice, my hair. Ice.
Ice?
Yeah.
Really? He's got ice on his... Hold on.
Hielo. Ay, que tama temperatura seca hasta hielo se le hizo el sur. Hielo, ice.
Okay. I don't feel cold, but you can see the mist coming in.
Ice on his hair.
You're right, boys.
Hello, everyone.
Yeah.
We're doing
Lawrence,
really well.
You okay, mate?
I'm fantastico.
Yeah. And you? All good? Yeah? Byron,
Yeah.
you're the man.
Thank you. You like the food?
Excellent, excellent. The chocolate was fantastic.
Okay.
And the eggs have never tasted better. Right, we're now in the upper Alpine zone, so hopefully we'll be through this and we'll be in the scree zone, I suppose, with all the scree
slope.
Yeah, it's supposed to be like wading through treacle, and I'll tell you what, the oxygen is already thin. We've just reached base camp. I've never been so pleased in all my life. Guys, what do you reckon? You're mad. He's going to collapse in a heap in a minute. I don't believe you just did that. Mental. Byron, how pleased are you?
I am tired, but
Is
this
it?
place is amazing. Beautiful.
Oh dear, we are so knackered, you would not believe. And the air's so thin up here, you have to walk literally. I've been putting my feet 1 foot in front of the other, like 4 inches at a time. Unbelievable.
God bless you, everyone.
Yeah.
And this place is nice. It's tired, but
It'll be worth it.
Yeah.
It'll be worth it 100%. You can see at the top there, base camp. Unfortunately, it wasn't base camp, and there was another 2 hours to go. Hey, amigos. What do you think, Horsey? This is amazing. That's Del Fuego, is it, over there? We just saw a puff of smoke coming out of it. So,
Del Fuego.
this is just amazing. I think I'm going to cry when I get to the top. It's just ridiculous.
Oh yes. Smoke.
Oh, you can see the smoke.
Oh.
Apparently at night you can see the flames coming out. Oh my God.
Oh.
I just can't believe it. We're nearly here. Didn't think we were going to make it. 6 hours uphill. And it is so steep. It's so steep.
Wow.
Well, we think this is base camp. We're not 100% sure, but it's just ridiculous. We're on top, well, not quite on top of the world. We've got another probably hour to climb up to the top, but we're going to do that at 3 o'clock in the morning so we catch sunrise. and the volcano erupting. Well, they haven't gone overboard on the tents. They're single skin tents, aren't they? Lawrence, they're going to be full of condensation.
Oh, we rest in these three?
Yes.
Festival tents.
Fantastic.
Oh dear.
Better cuddle up at night.
Well,
I'm coming away because I feel a bit wobbly. And that's very steep.
oh my God.
Well done, guys.
Well done. Chopping firewood for tonight. It should be a good atmosphere tonight, but I've got a horrible feeling we're sleeping on the ground with no sleeping bags, which is, I suppose it's only till 3 in the morning, but Christ. What can you see, Lawrence? Describe it. Describe it.
Appearing through clouds.
If that's still quite a lot higher, we've still got a fair way to go.
Yeah, it looks it.
Can you see the smoke coming off the volcano? Wow. Hopefully tomorrow or in the night it's going to be less cloudy. I mean, we're more or less above the clouds anyway. As you can see, I think by the time we get to the top, it's just whether we might be above the clouds and they could be below. There's some excitement in the camp because the volcano's just done a huge eruption. We couldn't see it because of the clouds, but everybody's buzzing. Well, this is going to be my resting place until, is it, did you say 3 or 2?
Well, I don't know, I think it's...
They did say that me and Lawrence had to bunk in together, but they've given us a tent each, which is probably not a bad thing, judging by the bad wind that Lawrence has had on the way up. So, yeah, I've still got my sunglasses on, I've just realised. It's the sun's going down now, so there's not as much glare. Well, so far it's been a bit of an achievement. I wasn't sure if I'd make it or not because it's hell of a climb. It's 6 hours and it's just straight up. I mean, there was hardly anything that was flat. There's a couple of small bits, a couple of little downhills, but it's just incessant. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Oh. They got me a sleeping bag in the end as well, which is nice. Dear. So I've got to get changed in a minute. They reckon it's going to be at least -3 tonight, so need to wrap up warm. I've got some tracky bottoms to put on under my trousers to because when we go up to the top, I guess we're going to be up there for a few hours. We're going to see the sunset and the sunrise, and hopefully we'll see the volcano erupt. That would be amazing. I mean, we've seen it spit fire, but wow, it's quite a thing, really. Especially when you've had to work this hard to get up here. Still out of breath because there's hardly any oxygen.
I've had it.
Lawrence has had it, so oh dear. Well, you can see the volcano in the background now. We're just hoping it will erupt. It's a bit hit and miss whether it actually comes on when the video's on. It's probably about the clearest we've seen so far.
Get up! Yes! Look at that! Wow! Oh my God! Wow!
Oh my God, that's incredible! We've got the campfire going. But the crazy thing is down there you've got a city, got the old city. That's looking pretty spectacular. Oh my God, you should see this. This is incredible. It's the whole side of the mountain. Let's book the video. We finally
made it to the top of Acatenango.
It's amazing. It's the relentless thing I've ever done. I can't hardly speak.
Not many bosses would do this for you, eh, Sean?
Shush. What's your old knowledge? Sunrise at Acatenango. It's amazing. Just look at that. Well done, mate. Wow. I think she's going to blow again. There she goes. It's bloody cold up there. So we're just now ascending down the scree slopes. You can see how steep they are. You just have to jump, more or less, and you slide down. It's like skating. Do you know where Lawrence is? Can I try? Shall I try and call him?
He's already down.
He's gone down already. No? Shall I ring him and make sure he's okay? Amazing views. How are you feeling, Byron?
I am feeling good.
You feel good?
Yes, I feel good.
Yeah, good.
Yeah. Finally.